Want the secret to the cheapest Hostinger deal in 2026? Stop looking for random promo codes online. Most of them are fake. Here is how to do it the right way. First, click the link in my description. Yes, that one. Once you are on the pricing page, pick a hosting plan. Now, pay attention. This is where the savings happen. When you go to checkout, an extra 20% discount usually pops up automatically. That is the hidden coupon that nobody talks about. Hostinger is perfect if you want a site that loads fast, but you don't want to deal with technical stuff. Install WordPress with one click or use their AI builder to make a website in minutes. Plus, you get free SSL, free backups, and a free domain for a year on eligible plans. Not sure which plan to grab? Go with the premium plan. It is the best bang for your buck. You can always upgrade later, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Don't overthink it. Click that link in the description right now, grab your plan, and get that exclusive 20% off before the deal changes.